Howdy, it's Linda from Veggie Outlaws, and today we're making balsamic roasted peppers. So hop on board and let's get cooking.
Take 2 green peppers and we're going to remove the seeds and the pulp. This is the best way to do it. We're going to cut into wedges. That's a nice size wedge. The first one. Now we do the same for the second green pepper. Now we're going to take either 2 red or 2 yellow peppers. I'm going to use 1 of each just for fun. Cut into wedges. Remove any excess pulp. We're going to do the same thing with the yellow pepper. Cut into wedges. So now we have this beautiful array of peppers. Set aside. Now we're going to take a sprig of tarragon. Remove the leaves. And chop. Love the smell of tarragon. I'm going to divide into 2 piles. Save half for later as garnish. Now we're going to take a small bowl. We're going to take half of our tarragon, place it in the small bowl. Now we're going to add in 1/4 cup of balsamic vinegar, 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce, 1/4 teaspoon of spike seasoning, and freshly ground black pepper. Whisk together. Now we take our prepared marinade, pour it over our peppers. Stir until the peppers are coated with the mixture. Get our baking dish. I'm going to spray with oil using our handy dandy oil sprayer. We take our peppers, make sure they're well coated, skin side down. Now I'm going to take my spray. I'm going to spray over the top of the peppers. And I'm going to cook it for 15 minutes at 400 degrees. Ooh, look how nice they look. They are so beautiful. I'm going to take our extra tarragon, spread them over the top. So good.
If you like what we made today, just stir up that like button and subscribe for more delicious recipes.